There's a bipartisan proposal churning through the state capitol right now to place a tax on dollars stolen through fraud. If approved, people convicted of fraud would owe all the money back, which in turn would go back into the pockets of Minnesotans. Danny Spiewak is live at the Capitol to explain how this works. Danny?
Irina, this is called the Take It Back Act, and some Republicans themselves joke that it is probably the only tax increase that they will ever support here at the Capitol. But in all seriousness, this bill in the House has co-sponsors ranging from some of the most conservative Republicans in the caucus to some of the most progressive Democrats. And then there's the moderates and everybody in between. Here's how it would work. Some, like Amy Bach, let's say you're convicted of fraud like she was, the mastermind of Feeding Our Future, she would owe all of the money that she was convicted of stealing through that scheme, and then it would have to go back to the state in the form of a tax, in addition to any restitution that she has to pay. That funding would then be placed into a tax relief account to help Minnesotans pay their income or property taxes. One of the main sponsors of the bill, GOP Representative Patty Anderson, says that there's already a hearing on this in the tax committee later this month.
No matter what party you are, no matter what part of the state you represent, people are angry about the fraud. They are angry about the dollars that have flown out the door.
This bill has nearly a dozen Democratic co-sponsors in the House, and it has a bipartisan group of co-sponsors in the Senate. So Representative Anderson there in the House expects this to pass their taxes committee. It's just going to be a matter of time before the end of the session. And can they work out some of the key details like the enforcement mechanism, how the tax would work? Those are all really important details that have yet to be fully hashed out.